I'm in Toolangi Rainforest walk, and I'm here to see some of the tallest trees in the world. These trees themselves are not that tall, but they're the right variety, mountain ash, which do grow to the tallest in the world, I believe. There are some other trees that are contenders for that title, but yeah, depending on who you believe, these are the tallest trees in the world, certainly in Australia, this variety of tree. And it reminds me of Luke 13:19, where Jesus talks about a very tall tree, how it grows from a very small seed. And he says that's how we need to be. We need to be growing slowly, gradually, coming closer and closer to him. It doesn't happen all at once. It happens over time as we stay connected to Christ, as we drink from his water of life. This is the Toolangi Rainforest walk, part of the greater Toolangi Rainforest. Not too far from where we live. If you're in the area, you should come visit sometime. This is more of a kind of close-up of the undergrowth of the forest. But you can see some of those tall mountain ash are there. If you want to see the place where the tallest trees in Australia and possibly the world are located, it's a little further from where I live, in around Marysville. But this is a good place anyway, just to see what it's like on the forest floor. That tree's got a lot growing on it. Jesus talks about the big trees. The mustard tree was the biggest one in his area, I guess, having other things growing on them, living on them. That's what we got to be like. Talks about that in Luke 13:19 and also other places. Got to grow very tall and strong in Christ, very slowly, and we'll give life to others. This tree's a little more impressive. It says it's a mountain ash. Well, that's the one. That's the variety that gets extremely tall. There is a record of a mountain ash that was cut down in this general vicinity. It was possibly the tallest tree on record. Have to look it up, put it in the description or something, exactly how tall that one was supposed to be. Anyway, thanks for joining me on the walk. Hope you can come down here, down under sometime and see it for yourself. Thanks for watching. Please like the video if you did like the video, and subscribe to it. Why not? If you're interested in seeing more of what we do. You can see two different rivers merging into one. That's cool. I like that. All right. Thank you. I think that's enough from me now. Leave in the comments if you've seen a better forest. Maybe somewhere closer to home. See you there.